Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2022 model P389 heavy spec day cab. It's built with an X15 Cummins, 565 horsepower, 18 speed. It's got 46 rears, full lockers, and a wet kit. It's only got 265,000 miles on it. I've gotten it hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, rears, tires, brakes, everything that you want to see, just like you're standing here. And we'll finish up on the inside as well. Go ahead and get started. Got new steers. This one is not ran through a full detail. The body and paint is in extremely good condition. If you're gonna pick it apart, you could say polish the aluminum, repaint the frame. It's got some rust on it. Not detrimental, but to make it look super slick, go in and repaint that, but all that would clean up really well. Got a slight bend in the bumper right there. But other than that, nothing else cosmetically jumps out at me. Steps are in good shape. Tanks. Back of the cab looks nice. There's your hydraulic fittings. Air track suspension, tall 24.5s, all aluminum wheels. Got a pinnable fifth wheel if you need it as well. Nice add-on. And with every 46,000 pound air track suspension, it does have the sleeve. Never seen one without it actually. So that sleeve is going to be double frame. See where it stops on the back there, and it'll continue on up. See it right underneath the deck plate here. This does have a factory split tank. I love that option. Nice and neat. There's your wet kit tower. Interior's nice and clean. This does have the digital dash, which is really neat. You can, your controls right here on the steering wheel. You can control it. You see, gonna do a systems check there. Everything looks good. Go back to your main screen. You can see it's up to temp. Got low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. Jumps up there just like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got more questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to Joey at truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.